Okay guys, just very quickly, it's a very easy one this. Brian asked about continuing sort of trades on B2, B3 on the buy sheet. Now if I pull this up, this is the same one that you've been doing. So if I kind of pull it down, you'll see it's test B. It's the same one you can download. You've got your main one here where you can just follow through. And the idea of this one was just so you can track what was going on. And then if you've got two or three that you're looking at together, they will filter over into this and pre-populate over onto there. Okay. Now let's just say you wanted to track it, a single asset all the time on here. So as you can see, you've got your little drop down boxes. You can put down whatever you want. So you might be doing the FTSE. Buy, deep, sell. Just fill this all in for you. Because it was in here. And you were buying it. I'm just using the drop down boxes just so you can see it. And if it happens to hit that, you can do that. Right. If you want to continue, as you can see, there's a drop down box here. All you've got to do is reformat this by removing the colors. It's easy to do. Just click 16 or whatever it is, highlight the cells, come up here to home. It says format paper. And then all you would do is just pull it down a little bit. And there you go. It rebuilds this lot. And then there's your cells to sort of monitor through, and then you do exactly the same with this one. Now it only runs down, I think it's about 7 where we are. Yeah, well, it might run down to about 10, but don't go much further. Well, in fact, I'll kind of tell you. There we are. So it goes down to cell 26. There's a lot of formulas in here that you don't really want to mess about with. So just take it down maybe 6 or 7 and you've got enough to do what you need. I hope that helps. I think that's what you're after. Catch you soon.